Hello, today we will guide you through how to convert purchase orders to bills in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you are on the main dashboard. This process is useful when you already have a purchase order created for a vendor and now need to turn that into a bill so it can be recorded and paid properly. Converting the purchase order helps keep your records accurate and saves time because QuickBooks can pull in the related details automatically. Once you are in QuickBooks, move your mouse to the Create button at the top left of the screen. This is where you can start new transactions and documents. When the menu appears, click on Bill. This opens a new bill form where you can connect the bill to an existing purchase order. At the top left of the bill screen, click the vendor dropdown. From the list, select the sample customer shown in your account. In this case, even though the label says customer in the instructions, you are selecting the name associated with the purchase order so QuickBooks can locate the matching transaction. After you choose that name, QuickBooks will automatically display the related purchase order information in the category area. This is the key part of the conversion because the system is linking the bill to the purchase order that was already entered. Next, click into the category field. Enter commission so you can search for the correct category. As you type, QuickBooks will show matching options. From the results, select commissions and fees. This ensures the expense is being posted to the appropriate account, which is important for accurate bookkeeping and reporting later on. Take a quick moment here to review the information on the bill before saving. It is always a good idea to confirm that the correct vendor is selected and that the purchase order details have populated as expected. Catching small errors at this stage can help avoid cleanup work later. When everything looks right, click Save and Schedule Payment. This saves the bill and moves you forward in the payment workflow, helping you stay organized with both payables and vendor records. And that's it. You've successfully converted a purchase order into a bill in QuickBooks Online. This simple workflow helps streamline your accounting process and make sure your purchasing and billing records stay connected.